What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad from Dad and Aspen Simply Cooking. And today we're gonna make chicken Caesar sandwiches. And I'm excited! I'm so excited about this video. So excited. She's gonna have popsicles tomorrow at school. Essentially what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some chicken breast, we're gonna slice them in half.
Yeah, got to.
We're gonna marinate them in some Caesar dressing. Coat them in some croutons. No, we're gonna coat them in croutons, and then we're gonna bake them. Then we're gonna take our salad, and we're gonna do a little slice and dice, and we're gonna put it all together at the end. So come along with me as we figure this out. I'm excited about it. Let's get started. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it. Have you guys, by the way, seen those stainless steel cutting boards? I kind of want one. There's some pretty thick jokers here. I'm gonna look for any funny parts that I might not want. And then I'm just gonna start cutting at the head. And working my way on down.
I want to get one.
Hold up. We'll do one together. I might be able to get one more out of this.
But how?
I might be pushing it.
But how? I don't want rubber. I want to take them all.
It's a little thin one, but it will work. I need your help with this part. So, start punching the bag. Beat it! Beat it! No, you gotta keep beating it. Have fun with it. Crumble those the croutons up, pop them in a bowl. All right, we got some Caesar dressing. Doesn't matter what kind of Caesar dressing you got. Whatever kind you pour it in there. Squeeze it out. There you go. That should be good. I'm gonna do my chicken. Drop it right on in that Caesar dressing.
Do my chicken? But not chicken. I get the chicken.
And pop it in that croutons.
Hey, I get the chicken.
Coming back for the first time in a long time, we have Pepper Girl. For Peppa! Can we get some Peppa? Yeah. Yo, Peppa!
Papa!
Okay. I'm trying to help you. I'm just going to guide you. A little bit of salt. You don't want to put too much though, just a little bit. And I got some Montreal steak seasoning. Just hit the back of it. Just hit it. So in the oven, 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until that chicken's cooked. Okay. All right, the infamous blue bowl. Hobby Lobby. If you know, you know. Dry it off. It's all clean now. It's all clean. Salad in a bowl. Caesar dressing in said bowl. Parmesan cheese. It comes in the bowl. I'm gonna toss the salad.
Taters are just about done. I'm just gonna give them one quick whisk here.
Get that Caesar all around. My chicken. It was one of those back and forth. So what do you want for dinner? I don't know. What do you want? I'll grill burgers. And then I was like, well, I got buns. I got some salad stuff. I have chicken. My chicken. Put it on my bottom bun. Caesar salad on top.
Child, I made them by hand.
A little bit of that Parmesan. And bun. I cooked these for about roughly 30 minutes. I did increase the temperature to 400 degrees at about 25 minutes. And then I let these in my oven on warm, about 170 degrees, just to keep them warm while I was waiting for them to get home. A little parm. All right, y'all. So here we have our sandwiches. They're ready. This is a chicken breast with croutons. Me and Aspen beat relentlessly. And we took out anger and frustrations on the crouton bag. Coated the chicken in Caesar dressing, which is right there. And then breaded it with the croutons. So she's going to taste test. Hopefully everything's cooked and done right. Which we know it is.
Has a good crunch to it.
The chicken's cooked perfectly. The seasoning from the Caesar gives it a good texture and flavor. And then those croutons have a good crunch to it.
My new favorite.
So y'all, make it. It's simple and easy, fast and good. With that, thank y'all for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great, fantastic weekend. Peace.